Central Oregon's local alert weather with Chief Meteorologist John Carroll.
Well, we had some snow showers early this morning, got about an inch or so. That is now pretty much gone, but we are still in the middle of this persistent pattern of precipitation. So let's take a look at some of the roadways. I'm concerned about the patchy ice that we may see possible overnight tonight. This is the Highway 97 there in Lapine. It looks wet, so as we dip below freezing, we could see some pockets of ice in that region. Here's the US 20 and Parkway areas. Some of the bridges and overpasses may freeze up before the other surfaces because they do get cooled from the bottom and the top, so we may see some icy conditions there. Right now it does look a little bit dry, but there is still moisture on the roads, and this is 97 at 61st Street in between Redmond and Bend. That does look relatively dry at the moment. All right, winter highlights. We have a couple to talk about, and one of them is the winter storm warning. That is for feet of snow that is possible along the Cascades, and this is going until late Saturday. In and around the Sun River and Lapine area could get about 2 to 4 inches of snow. The winter weather advisory is off into Crook County. That's until Sunday, and that will be for the possibility of about 4 inches of snow there. So mountain snow continues to be likely. Wintry mix will linger at lower elevations, and icy roads are possible overnight. Now, we also have the possibility of this all transitioning over into rain. I'll talk about that in a second, but here's a cold front that's dissipated. You can see the snow showers coming across towards the mountain, and this brown line here, this is another area of disturbance, so that'll be another phase of wet weather coming on through. It is cold enough, as you see, that it will be and is in the form of all snow. Future track has this cold front dissipating as well as that brown line, the trough of low pressure, and then as we get into Saturday morning, we'll have this wintry mix early in the day. Then as we go to 2 o'clock, we'll see again that wintry mix maintaining a presence. Looks like more rain than snow by 8 o'clock. And then watch this red line. This is a warm front that goes across. And for Sunday, this precipitation does seem to want to change over to mostly rain. And as we get into Monday, we'll see more of a rainy scenario coming through our area. But snowfall in the future, this is what we expect. A lot of snow on the mountains. We could see feet of snow in and around portions of the highest elevations, and about 2 to 3 inches possible down along 97. Winds are going to be very noticeable. In fact, they're very dangerous. At Saturday morning, we could see them coming from the west, southwest, west-southwest at about 40 to 50 miles an hour at the highest peaks, and about 20 miles an hour in and around the lower elevations. So you may get jostled around a little bit as well in these gusty scenarios. All right, we got right now a 39-degree temperature in Bend with no wind. I expect a high tomorrow of 47. Here is a look at the high temperatures for the day, 40s and 30s. Right now we are looking at the temperatures in the 30s and 40s, and lows tonight will be cold enough for us to get down into the freezing part. 14 for Sun River seems a little aggressively cold, but overall we are looking at the 7-day outlook with 53 on Sunday with the rainy conditions. It's going to be rainy for a while. And that's a look at your local alert weather.